Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steam and oxygen not included. Steam is an incredibly versatile resource, essential for advanced power generation and precise temperature control within your colony. To create it, you simply need to heat water above its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Understanding the basics of steam generation will significantly boost your colony's sustainability and technological progress. There are several effective ways to heat water for steam production. One common method involves using a steam turbine, which directly interacts with hot water. You can also harness natural heat sources like geysers or volcanic vents. For more controlled heating, aquatiners can transfer heat from other liquids, while metal refineries produce substantial heat as a useful byproduct, perfect for steam generation. Achieving optimal steam conditions is key for efficiency. Water transforms into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. For steam turbines, the sweet spot for efficient operation is typically between 125 and 200 degrees Celsius. It's vital to maintain adequate steam pressure to ensure your turbines run consistently. Be careful not to overheat, as extreme temperatures can damage your infrastructure and lead to energy waste. Once you've mastered steam production, its applications are vast. Steam turbines are excellent for generating clean, renewable power from excess heat. You can also leverage steam for precise temperature regulation, especially in areas with heat-producing machinery. Furthermore, condensing steam can purify polluted water, providing a clean water source. Effective steam management is a cornerstone of a self-sufficient and thriving colony.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.